Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In a short tutorial video, we're going to show you exactly and step by step how to change the font for all of your slides for your presentation on Google Slides really quickly. So let us get started. Now, changing the font for all of your slides in your presentation may turn out to be pretty beneficial and helpful because it saves you a lot of time and effort if you simply apply these changes and the changed font for all of your slides with one click. So all you need to do, guys, is simply open your presentation and here at the top select slide, and from the drop down menu simply go to or select edit theme, and here in the theme list or overview, simply select the uppermost theme. That's the overview theme. And after that, simply select the level you would like to change the font for, starting with the title, for example. So left click on it. And after that, switch to your preferred font. Just like that, here at the top, you will see that list of fonts. So let me go with that font here, Georgia, really quickly. And that is going to apply that font to your title, to titles on all of your slides in your presentation. And that's basically it. Now you can repeat the same process with the other levels below for your slides, with the first level, second level, and so on and so forth. Simply select the given level of text. And after that, head over to the font here at the top and choose or pick your preferred font, like that one here, for instance. And that is going to apply the given font to all texts or titles in the given level for all of your slides of your presentation. And that's basically it, guys. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.